What's going on, guys? Dave here. This is a Whirlpool clothes washer, Whirlpool Duet. Show you the control panel and everything. The exact model number is that right there, CSU 1703755. That's the serial number, and the model WFW 9200 SQ00. The issue was when we were using the washer and all of a sudden it just stopped working and it would just beep whenever you push the power button. Nothing, it would not work. So, and the F70 error message was showing up on the display. So if yours has that, let me tell you what fixed it for ours. This is the motor control unit. It's basically a circuit board, with some transistors and whatnot, and it failed. I mean, this washer was about 15 years old, so nothing lasts forever. And I'll show some photos of exactly where everything is, but you basically have to remove this panel, and you might have to, if yours has a drip tray like this, you might have to lift up the washer a little bit to get to the screws. There's 3 torque screws here, here, and here that you have to remove. And then this panel just comes off pretty easily. And this device here is located on the far left on the side, and there are other videos how to do it, but I just want to give you our success story because replacing this device here definitely fixed the problem for us. And if you want to test to see if this is the problem on yours, you basically this plug-in, I'll show you a better photo of it, but there's a plug that has 3 blue wires coming off that's here. And if you, turn the machine off and unplug it, if you disconnect this little 3-wire blue connector and then plug it back in, wait for a few moments and try to turn it on, if it does turn back on, that tells you that the motor control unit is the problem. And I did not see anything wrong with it. I didn't see anything burnt up or anything. But everyone tells you online that that is probably what it is, and I'll put a link down below where you can get this. But you can also find it on eBay, like a good used one. Just look up the part numbers. You'll see part numbers all through there. Or if you just look up your make and model, Whirlpool Duet. This is also listed under some other brand names, but it basically looks like this from the front. And it's pretty straightforward on how to replace this device. Just make sure you do everything, with the unit unplugged. And then once you do replace it, there's only a couple of little connectors, and then that one right there. The rest of it's pretty easy. And look for the shock absorbers underneath too. They were broken. Both were broken on this unit, which has nothing to do with that error. But if it's, if you've already got the panel off, you might as well go over and replace those as well. And you can get those on Amazon and eBay. I'll put links down below for those. Anyway, once you turn it back on, it should immediately power up and work as normal. So that's that. This board was toast somehow. Who knows? It was more than 15 years old, and that's what happens. So anyway, that's it. We've got tons of other videos on our channel on stuff we fixed around the house and stuff on cars, motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, all kinds of cool stuff. So like, subscribe, follow the channel, and hopefully you'll find some things that might help you in the future. That's it. You'll have a great day.